AutoCAD we discuss about the rectangle command here. Now there are three ways you can define the rectangle command on this software. First, directly click on the rectangle icon here in the command ribbon. Just click, define the first point at anywhere on the screen, and then define the second point anywhere on the screen. You can make a rectangle here. Second option is that go to draw and click on rectangle here. Again the command start, same procedure, specify the first point and specify the second point anywhere on the screen. You will define the rectangle. Third way to input the rectangle command is type REC on your keyboard and then enter. Now REC, enter. Now define the first point of the rectangle, that means this somewhere here, and define the second point. You can draw the rectangle. Now this is how you can define the rectangle without any dimensions. Just click on the icon by going into the draw or by typing REC on the command toolbar. You can define the rectangle. Now if you want to create a rectangle with certain dimensions, or you want to create a rectangle with certain dimension which you required in your drawing, so how we can do that? Just type REC on your keyboard and then enter. Specify the first point of the rectangle and then go, as you can see here on the command toolbar at the bottom of the screen, rectangle, specify other corner point or area, dimension or rotation. So I define the dimension, so for that I just click D on the keyboard, then enter. Now the system asks me about the length of the rectangle. Suppose the length of the rectangle is 200, enter, and then he asked me about the width of the rectangle. So for the width of the rectangle, let us say the width of the rectangle is 300, enter. Now you can see our rectangle is made here, 200 width, 200 length and 300 width. So this is how you can define the rectangle with dimensions. And if you want to draw a rough rectangle, I can previously define you how to draw the rectangle by just clicking on the icon and you can define the rectangle. Similarly, again type REC command and then enter on the keyboard, specify the first point, and now you can define the rectangle with the help of area. So just click A and then enter. Now specify first the area of the rectangle. Let us say the area of the rectangle is 20,000. Okay, let us say it should be 20,000 millimeter square. Enter. Now you have to choose whether you want to give the length or you want to give the width. So if you want to give the length, type L, then enter, or if you want to go with the width, select W on your keyboard and then enter. So I go with the length, just click L, enter. Then you have to define the length of the rectangle. So let us say the length of the rectangle is 200, enter. So here the length is automatically 200 and your width is automatically comes at 100. So 200 into 100, it gives you 20,000 millimeter square. So you can define the rectangle with the help of area, you can define the rectangle with the help of length and width, or you can say the dimensions, or you can define the angle directly, rectangle, by going on to the rectangle icon or going into the draw and click on rectangle, or just type here at the bottom we have our command toolbar, just REC and then enter. You can specify the first point and you can draw the rectangle. So this is your rectangle command. In next lecture we discuss about other commands. So thanks for watching.